Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime Silence Unknown Callers on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Silence Unknown Callers. From here, tap on the Silence Unknown Callers toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now I say that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. This feature is very useful if you keep receiving random FaceTime calls, especially interrupting productive moments or quiet evenings. So thankfully, iPhone offer the Silence Unknown Callers to tackle this problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.